Hello, hello, hello. Okay, this is my last live video for the evening, and I'm just getting on here real quick again to show you guys. I'm about to cut some layers into the front of this here, so I'm going to take a little bit of this out right here. We did a nice little ombre on here, and we're just going to add some layers so it will fall much more naturally. So you see we have a few different tones and shades here, but I'm going to add a simple ombre, and then I'm going to add some simple layers. Hopefully my phone makes it because I'm on less than 20%. And here is another one of our great 14-inch units that we custom colored. Hopefully you guys can really see this color. And yeah, all of our wigs are available again at magichaircompany.com. That is the only place you can find our wigs. This is our logo here. So if you're shopping somewhere and this logo is altered in any way, it is not from Magic Hair Company. We are located here in Culver City, California. That is in the USA. And we ship directly from our Culver City, USA store. Our current Culver City hours are Monday through Saturday, 10:30 to 6 p.m. We do prefer that you make an appointment, and you can make an appointment right on our website, magichaircompany.com. Utilize the chat feature and let us know when you'd like to make an appointment. We take appointments anytime during our business hours. Our current business hours, we are now back to being open Monday, so we're open Monday through Saturday, 10:30 to 6 p.m. We will, of course, style any of our glueless wigs for you. We will add layers. We will add some bangs. Oh, you guys can't even see what I'm doing over here. We'll add some layers. We'll add some bangs. We will really, we want your wig to fall and be really natural because that's one of the benefits of shopping with us. So we will definitely style your wigs for you. This one here, I'm adding some layers to the front, as you can see. Of course, my mannequin head is not sturdy, but I'm just adding some layers around the face so that way it gives a more natural look and falls. And this is just the way I style. This is how I'm adding the layers here. And you see, we just took out a little bit of that length right there. Hopefully you guys can see this on the camera. And now I'm going to go over here on this side. And I just take a little bit away at a time. That way, because you don't ever want to take too much. Once you take too much, then you're done. So I just take a little bit at a time and go from there. We do custom coloring here in store. And we only ship from our Culver City store. I'm trying to get an angle for you guys to see what I'm doing. And yeah, okay, so that's enough for, actually I'm going to cut a little bit more in the front because I like really pretty layers. If you want us to cut layers, if you want us to cut bangs, if you want us to style your wig for you, we can do that here is a front lace wig, but it still has plenty of parting space. So you see how these layers are coming out over here on this side? So I need to cut just a little more right in here. And I really just take my time when I'm cutting. I see, you know, a lot of people rush, but I don't. I kind of take my time, and that is what works for me. I take a little bit more just right in here, and then that would be good for this side over here. Okay, so yeah, so this is good for over here. You guys can see this. So you see how we have some layers going on right in here, right in the front. Just light, soft layers right here. Actually, I want to take a little bit more of this. Okay. Perfect. Okay. So, okay, see how this is now right here? Perfect. Let me take this little piece. There we go. Okay, so now we have layers on this side, and I'm going to cut some over here. So this is the undone layered side, and this side has layering to it. So you want your wig to be layered so it looks more natural. You don't want it to have a blunt, stiff, wiggy look. So the key to that is quality hair, great color, and a good cut. So we will definitely style your wig for you. To maintain your wigs and extensions at home, you can use our shampoo and conditioner available on our website. For our curly wavy textures like this one here, use our hydrating curl definer and amplifier, and that is what you need to get your waves nice and fresh. Okay, so I'm starting off this side here, and it's always hard to get a good angle. Okay, so I'm gonna hold it like that. Hopefully you guys can see this angle here on the camera. Yep, so this is coming together nicely here. You see how I'm getting some angles going, some layers going this way, and that's exactly what I want. I'm just gonna cut a couple more right here in this bottom section. Again, styling is included with any wig purchase from magichaircompany.com. We will gladly style your wig for you. We'll cut the lace for you. Okay. Okay, let's see. Let me see if you guys can see. We might cut, well, we'll cut a little bit more over here. Yeah, I'm gonna cut a little bit more over here. But this side looks pretty good. Let's see. Yeah, we're going to cut a little bit more layers on this side over here. And like I said, I really just take my time. I don't want to overcut, and I just take my time. So I make sure I get the shape just right, and I get it as symmetrical as possible. Yep, okay. Okay, yeah, okay, much better. Much better. Yep, there we go. Yep, so the layers look good on this side, they look good on this side. And this is a wavy wig from us here at Magic Hair Company, located in Culver City, California, USA. Okay, so you guys see these layers when it falls this way? And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Check us out at magichaircompany.com. We have all the best glueless, full lace, and front lace wigs available. Don't forget to check out our hair care product line, and we are definitely open here in Culver City Monday through Saturday, 10:30 to 6 p.m. See you soon. Bye.